At home happy hour.
Welcome to Home Happy Hour. I'm Raj.
And I'm Val. Today, we're going to share a refreshing drink, the classic white sangria, a drink that's both refreshing and fruity.
This is the perfect summertime party drink. It's easy to make, whether you're making a little or a lot.
Let's dive in. But first, a little bit of history. The white sangria, or sangria blanca, is actually a variation of the traditional red sangria, which originated in Spain.
It's typically made with white wine and a mix of citrus fruits, berries, and some blend of alcohols.
So let's get to it, and we're going to share with you our favorite recipe.
For our white sangria, you'll need the following ingredients. You need white wine. In our case, we're using a Moscato. Next, we use triple sec, peach or apple brandy. We're using apple brandy. Granulated sugar. Berries, your choice of strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, whatever you like. Some sliced peaches, fresh or frozen. We're using frozen. That way I don't have to peel them, which I hate. And 1 orange, 1 lemon, and 1 lime.
First, let's quarter our citrus fruit and juice 1/4 of each into a large pitcher.
Oh, great. They're making something fruity again. Where's the steak sangria?
Steak sangria? You're living in a dream world, Zuzu. Let's just hope they drop some berries.
Next, we pour in the brandy, triple sec, and sugar, and then muddle everything together until the sugar is dissolved.
Next, we slice the remaining citrus, peaches, and berries and add that to the pitcher.
Add the white wine and stir well. Then just let it chill in the fridge for at least 4 hours. We usually do overnight.
Adds a little more flavor to it.
So here we are. Here's our sangrias. Wait a minute. There's a startling lack of liquid in here.
Well, that's because I decided to double the recipe with our nice little clear glass that we used to originally put in the, so there's a little bit more. So, but as you can see, we put ice and garnished. Raj did a nice little
strawberry
and mint. And then what you can do is you can just pull out fruits. If you make a pitcher of this, have a scoop or tongs next to your pitcher or your jug,
so that people can say, because that's fun to eat.
All right, exactly. And I mean, and some people don't, so it just depends. But so we're gonna just pour this.
You want me to pour?
Cool, I got it.
You know, if she had 4 legs like us, lifting that pitcher would be no problem.
4 legs and opposable thumbs. Don't forget the thumbs, Zuzu.
It's good.
And if you get a little extra fruit, even better.
Oh, it's coming to me. All right, you want me to pour it?
Okay. Hey. This is what happens when you're short. You don't have a lot of leverage and heavy things like that.
We're lightening it right now.
Yeah.
I want to make sure I get as much as you got.
Careful, Raj. Make sure Val doesn't get more than you. Fair pour, fair play.
Why do they even need glasses? I just drink straight from the bowl.
Yep.
Pretty good, huh?
That's pretty good, yeah. So here we have it, our white sangria And this way you can get some little mint in there and a little extra strawberry. So, our fancy glasses. Salud.
Salud. Okay, so for the last 3 cocktails we've filmed, I've been saying, oh, this is like summer in a glass. This is really like summer in a glass.
So, here's the thing about sangria. Most people, if you say sangria, people are like, oh my gosh, I love sangria. It's wonderful. And there are also people who really enjoy red wines. Not everyone can drink red wines because of the tannins.
Me,
I'm one of them. You are one of them.
I get headaches.
Right.
I drink.
Horrible headaches when we went to Florida. We actually went to an Italian restaurant one night and they had sangria. And we all were like, because we knew sangria, they were going to say red. And they were like, no, you can get red or white. So we said, we'll try the white sangria. And that white sangria had a drier wine, but it had I don't know if it was the Prosecco or the club soda that was in it.
I was just Ambo.
Yeah. So that added the fizz to it. But it was so nice to go somewhere and have a white sangria.
It didn't bother me.
It didn't bother either of us.
Yeah. Sitting outside. Right?
Oh, it was beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. But yeah, so when you talk about a sangria,
Our recipe, our preferred way to make it, because you're not a fan of Prosecco, and I love it, but Moscato is a nice in-between, right? It's not just wine. No, there's a slight fizz to it.
and a little bit of sweetness.
You need that fizz to kind of lighten the drink.
Right.
Right. And you're adding brandy. You're adding triple sec.
Yeah.
Or
Grand Marnier.
Grand Marnier.
If you don't have triple sec, you can use Grand Marnier.
I mean, it's going to be a much more expensive drink.
It also depends on what you have. And it just so happens that the brandy, we use the apple brandy.
Yeah, everything works.
Everything is smooth.
Even though there's sugar in it, it is not overly sweet.
No. So here's our classic white sangria.
Right. And you have our recipe down below. Absolutely, you can vary this recipe. Switch up the fruits. If you don't like certain fruits, don't put them in. You want blueberries in it? We didn't add them, but add blueberries. You want blackberries?
Yeah.
I would suggest that some really soft berries like raspberries and blackberries, you don't let them sit overnight or for 4 hours in here. I would add them into the glass on serving, because otherwise they will turn to mush and discolor your beautifully clear white wine. It'll look like a red wine.
Well, yeah, exactly.
But I love those fruits, but I would just add them to the glass on serving.
Absolutely.
Right.
And again, we use frozen peaches. You can use fresh peaches. I'm sure you could use mangoes. I'm sure you...
Oh, I bet mangoes would be excellent. If you have a frozen mix, they sell these like frozen mixed fruits.
Oh, right, yeah.
At the grocery store to make smoothies and things out of. Find a mix that you like the blend of.
Yeah.
Then you don't have to cut any fruits. Throw that stuff in there.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
We're all for making things easy.
Yes.
I enjoy fresh citrus.
Oh, that is the one thing that we don't cut
corners on that. I would still want
the fresh
juiced orange, lemon, lime.
There's just something to be said about fresh.
And getting the oils from it, either through muddling or our juice presses. So we get oils that way, but then we further muddled them.
Right.
I think you can't beat the fresh juice.
Absolutely not.
For the citrus angle, but there's so many other fruits that would work in this. Now, you could also, as far as the alcohols, we used an apple brandy, right? You could use a peach brandy. You could use just regular brandy. It's going to be stronger. It's going to have a stronger brandy flavor. So if you do that, you may want to cut back a little on the brandy.
Right.
Just so that it doesn't throw it all out of balance, because this is extremely well balanced.
Absolutely.
And again, triple sec, any orange flavored liqueur that you have on hand. Cointreau, Grand Marnier, triple sec. In fact, on Father's Day, I used Grand Marnier because we didn't have a triple sec.
White sangria, like, comment, follow.
However you change up the recipe, try this recipe. It's excellent. But if you change it and you like a different version, let us know.
Yeah.
We're ready to try new recipes.
Yes. And we've actually had a few suggestions already. So looking forward to seeing how those all pan out.
And listen,
White sangria, a little bit of summer.
let me just top you off
Oh,
so that we can go outside and sit in the heat.
Yes, this 90-degree day that feels like 103.
That's what it said it feels like.
Yeah.
Just I'm singing.
Yeah. So,
But here we go.
yeah. Salud.
If only Salud came with a side of treats.
Yeah, where's our doggy sangria?